Hey guys, welcome back to another week of Toy Tengoku, and we've got something
Different.
a little etchy.
Yeah.
So, from Alter, this is Konjiki no Yami from Toraburu. So I was talking to David actually about the title a little bit ago, and like it looks like it's just Turaburu,
Yeah.
Turaburu, however you want to pronounce it, but the Japanese is just Toraburu, like the word trouble.
I mean, love is love, isn't it? When you
Yeah.
put katakana, is it? So
Right, so there's like several kind of
different
word plays
ways.
in
Yeah.
English going on here. But this is the nurse version. So as you can see, Yami's all dressed up in a pink nurse outfit,
Yeah.
and she's got a nice big needle for you
Yeah. And as Lindsay was saying, this has absolutely nothing to do with
with the series in
trouble.
general. But like, so Turaburu is kind of an ecchi comedy. It's a romance comedy, but it's got a little bit of an adult flair to
Mm.
it. Um, it's a Shonen Jump manga, and it was really popular.
So
It's still popular.
this series wouldn't be in the like 18 section of a supermarket.
Right. So it's not technically R18. It's like they skirt the line.
I mean, even
It's
the
playing a
figure
little dirty.
is skirting the line, right? This isn't technically like adult.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't
I
think
mean,
you'd let your well,
I
your
don't I don't know
shogat sales. Your elementary school
if you're,
student.
yeah, I don't know if you'd want to give this to your elementary school age son, but yeah, we'll put it together and show you just what we mean.
Yeah,
You can
because
probably see from the shot.
I already know it's going to be great
Yeah,
because it's
it's
autumn. The eyes are
Alter,
going to be good. But yeah,
so we
let's
know
have a
it's going
look.
to have a lot of details. Let's check it out. So here she is from Turaru Darkness, Konjiki no Yami, or Golden Darkness, in her nurse outfit. Now, I just wanted to show off the box really quick. Alter has recently done a lot of these lovely clear plastic boxes, so you
Yeah,
can just see the figure from just about every angle.
and it's offset against the nice background as well.
Yeah, so let's crack it open. There's not much to the back, just some up close shots. Plastic packaging can be a little wonky.
Yeah, it's gonna
It'll
cause you grief.
sometimes rip in the corners if you're not careful, so you gotta be
Or
mindful of that as well.
do you know what always happens to me? I get cut when I put
Oh,
my.
yeah. So she's held in here pretty securely. I was kind of laughing because they just stuffed a whole bunch of bubble wrap in for this clear plastic piece
Yeah,
instead of just kind of setting it in there.
this this looks like it's so easy to snap.
Right?
So I guess we
Be
can
careful.
thank them for that.
Yeah. Ooh, smell that fresh PVC
Yes,
scent.
good stuff. Wow, she's so
So
colourful.
here is Yami herself. I'm touching her legs, and I can feel it's got like a very nice matte finish to it.
Lindsay, stop it. Behave yourself.
I'm sorry. So first off, you just notice her voluminous hair. As you
It's
can see,
amazing.
there's just tons of it.
It's bigger than her body.
I really love it because they've used an orange tone for the darker
Yeah, they've gone for a base
shading.
coat of yellow and then put a bit of orange, I guess, on top.
Right, and I just love the combination of yellow and orange. I think it's really nice. It works together really well, aside from like a dark yellow. Instead of a dark yellow, I mean. Her skin also has a really nice shading to it. Rather than using kind of a dark tone, they've done the same thing with the hair and kind of used a different color. It's kind of it's hard to see in the camera.
Yeah, maybe there you can just about see it.
So the shading for the skin, they've used kind of a peach color rather than a dark cream, kind of like her skin tone. I don't know what color you'd call this, tan skin tone.
She's very pale, but at her joints there's a bit of peach.
Right, kind of like this, similar to the blush on her cheeks.
Yeah.
Now, those of you who watch the series know that Yami is actually kind of I don't know if I want to say shy, but she's not into etchy things.
Yeah.
She's not perverted, and so this figure is kind of funny for her
This is a total
character.
like it's just what do you call that?
But when she transforms like into does the darkness transformation, she does become a bit like tsundere. But anyway, so next up, the nurse outfit. It's got kind of a pearlescent look to it. And of course there's a lot of wrinkles and detail, so you get a lot of nice shading and highlights with the curves of her skin. The heels too have a really nice gloss to them, as does this pink band on her leg. So her hair accessories have this really nice, you dropped something?
Yeah.
Her accessories have this really nice pink gloss as well. All right, let's get her on the base. So I'm checking her out. I think I gave you guys a bit of a panty shot there. I'm checking her out, and there are no pegs on her legs, and it's because she sits on this. So instead of her having holes in the bottom of her legs,
she just clings onto the syringe.
Yeah, and so this is the part that you need to hook onto the base. So this just fits really nicely in there. And then she is just going to fit in where you see these holes in the needle, just like that.
Oh, wow.
So the really cool thing I like about this is they've cut holes out in the plastic of the needle for her legs to fit in, but it looks like her legs just pressed up against glass.
Oh,
it gives the impression
it really does as well.
of skin pressed up against glass. So I really like that effect. I think they did that intentionally.
Yeah.
It's really easy to assemble.
And there are some accessories as well. Oh, that's magnetic.
It's a magnet! Oh my god, look, that's so cool. Check that out, guys. If you get the hat close to the head, boom, just snaps into place. So again, Alter has avoided putting any holes for pegs in Yami by using the magnet and this creative base to keep her in her spot. And
there
then
is also
lastly,
even more detail.
We have this cute little clipboard.
You can read every letter.
Medical record.
Probably not on the camera, but it's...
Oh yeah, we've got the little gender part there, check boxes and names and dates, age. That's so
cool.
cute. So this is going to go in her arms. So you should be able to slide it in.
I like that the outer layer, the paper is actually paper.
Yeah.
It's not just printed onto the plastic.
David picked it up and it fell.
Yeah, I thought it was printed on.
So it just slides in like that. And as you can see, she's really cute, very detailed, and the colors just pop. Again, I love the yellows. I love the orange hues in the yellow. Pink is my favorite color. All shades of red are my favorite color.
Yeah.
So I really like this figure.
So let's just have a look at her on the 360.
So, have you seen Toraburu?
No, I haven't seen Trouble.
I've seen parts of it. I have not seen the Darkness series yet, but I really want to because I do like Yami a lot. And the Darkness series, she's basically like the main heroine in that season.
Something that I've just noticed, now it's spinning around, is that the liquid or whatever's coming out is in the shape of a heart.
Oh, you didn't notice before?
No, I didn't.
I loved that part.
Because I was looking at it from this type of angle. But now here we go. Rabu rabu. There we go. But funnily enough, we saw this a long time ago when it first came out at one of the hobby shows.
Hobby Expo.
So now we're finally
getting to see it in person.
Lindsay actually said, don't take too many pictures of that. I don't know if we can put it on YouTube. And now look what we're doing.
Well, I think they said from certain angles, which we've probably shown today.
Oh, yeah.
When I accidentally shot everyone with her panties.
There we have it. Another very colourful and amazing figure from Alter.
Oh, I know. They just knocked it out of the park again. So that was Alter's Yami in her nurse outfit, and she is just lovely. I love all the hair.
Yeah, it's colourful.
It really pops, right? Like the yellow and pink and red.
Yeah, I like the fact that you can type of get a feel of that without opening the box, just because of the way they always put a good background on, you know, their products, and you can the light goes in. But the coolest thing is just the detail on the needle and stuff, right? And the eyes and her hair.
Being able to see the legs through the needle is really cool.
Yeah, and the folds of the outfit.
But yeah, so that was our review of Yami. I hope you enjoyed her as much as we did. Once again, David, you cannot take her home. She is going to be in our next contest. And how do they enter to win that?
Well, they have to comment on this episode on hobbylink.tv down below the YouTube embedded video. And then in the next episode, we'll choose one at random, or rather Lindsay will. And then we'll send you this for free.
And of course, you can comment on YouTube if we like, but to enter to win, you have to do it on HobbyLink TV.
Yeah. And also, please like and subscribe and hit the bell.
But I'm sure you're very curious as to who the winner of Parfom Mercedes is. So let's get right on that. So, the winner of Parfom Mercedes from Odin Sphere is Fate the Great, who said, "The video just made me start wanting to play Odin Sphere again. I really love the music at the main menu." And I'm sure it was very nostalgic for them too, with your music video of her shooting the arrow.
Of course, I had to look up all of that stuff to create that montage, but it was like, I saw loads of gameplay footage as well, and it type of blew me away how good it looked.
Yes.
Because obviously you were saying last week, it's a different version of the game. It's like updated itself.
It's like an HD re-release.
Yeah. Well, it looks really cool.
Yeah, and it's just on a
timeless PS3 at the moment, right?
It doesn't.
And the Vita.
Yeah, it doesn't rely on like the latest 3D graphics. It's its own style, so it's pretty timeless.
I'm getting totally locked out of games at the moment in Japan just because I don't have a PS4. The Xbox has no love. The Switch, on the other hand, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Loads of good new stuff from that. Luigi's Haunted Mansion 3.
Oh yeah, my sister loves those games. And Tales of Vesperia is coming out in January.
It's cool.
I recommend that.
Lots to look forward to.
Anyways, so that does it for today. You can find us on Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, and links to all of those are on hlj.com.
See you again next time.
See ya.